Alright, so what I have here is my gray Toastmaster box fan model 4437, but that's not the subject of this video. This is a Lakewood box fan stand that I got brand new in the box several years ago. The story behind that is, me and my dad went into the hardware store one day. I don't remember what we were getting, just probably some plumbing parts, but the hardware store we went to has been there for like a long time. I think it's been there since the 40s. And they actually have a bunch of old stuff still in their inventory. Like one time I went in and they had a Sears garage door opener from like the 80s. And on this particular day I went in and I went to the fan aisle just to look at the fans, and I saw this sticking out from behind some boxes of some other fans. How often do you find the box for these stands? And best of all, it was only $5.99, not including tax. So what's funny is on the picture they have the stand on a Lakewood P223, but if you look closely you can see that the stand is beige in the picture, but it's white in real life. I don't know if they came in multiple colors, but I was a little disappointed because this color doesn't match any of the fans I have. I'm probably going to repaint the stand anyway because I'll show you later. It's not in the best shape cosmetically anymore. But yeah, Lakewood rollabout stand, heavy gut gauge rigid steel construction with lustrous baked enamel finish, raises top of fan to 37 inches above floor, tilts fan in 360-degree angle, and made in USA. Won't see that anymore. It's a model RFX. And I don't know, I guess that's like a shipping stamp or whatever. It's kind of faded off. But there's a date here. I don't know if this is, I doubt that's when it was made. 89, 19, or 15, 9. I can't tell if that's a 15 or a 19, and then 93. So yeah, box, it's not in the best of shape. Looks like it might have been sitting in water at one point. It looks like that when I got it. Someone wrote rollabout stand for box fan on the bottom. Let's see. So anyway, unfortunately I left the manual in my room. So this is the manual. Wish I'd read this when I was putting it back together, because I didn't quite put it together right. And the reason I'm just making a video of this now is because I will take the camera off the tripod to show this. See that screw there and how it's kind of long? Well, that's what the original one looked like. And I had this stand at my grandparents' house, and unfortunately when I was bringing it back here, I lost one of those bolts. So I had to try to find a new one before I could show it. Paint's not in the best shape anymore. I have used this thing quite a bit over the years. But like I said, I plan to repaint it anyway because it doesn't match any of the fans I have. I think I'm going to repaint it blue. So anyway, just really quickly I'm going to show my Toastmaster fan running while it's on the stand. I haven't cleaned and oiled this fan since the last time I made a video of it. And off. Upside down. Yeah, the bottom has quite a bit of paint loss. This fan did go under in a basement flood. But now I will show you something I did in the last video, and that's the information thing. Hope you can read that. I also put a new knob on this fan because the old one was cracked. Anyway, there's my Lakewood box fan stand on my Toastmaster box fan. Thanks for watching.